If you run an agency, a law firm, or any service business, you might already be using Assembly to manage your clients. But what about the deals that aren't clients yet? The prospects you're trying to close? Most teams track this in a separate CRM or maybe even a spreadsheet. So the second a deal closes, someone has to manually recreate that company and contact an Assembly. To solve this, I built this app using Assembly's app builder. So your pipeline integrates with Assembly. And because it's built in Assembly, you can duplicate this app and tailor it however you want in our app builder. So let me take you through the app, right? So we got like a pipeline here of deals. You can see this in different views, or you got this chart view where you can see an overview of all your deals and dive deeper into the deals you're trying to close. But let's start off by creating a deal. Let's say we got a big new deal, and instead of using an existing company from the CRM, I can create a new company. And I can say add it to the CRM when the deal is closed. And so I've created the deal now. It's added here to the pipeline. Maybe I want to make some edits. So I realized I didn't give a value, so let's call it a $1,000 deal. And I can link some contracts to it if I have that linked in Assembly. Select some invoices to link it to. I could add a note. I'm going to move this deal across the pipeline. Finally, it goes into a deal that's won. I can mark it as won. And it goes into the CRM. If I go into the CRM, you'll see this new contact was added. This new company was added. If I go to the company's internal notes, you can check notes over there. But let's go back to the actual deal app. And we can filter things here in this app. You can see more details about any deal that you're managing and see it across different views. What's great about this app is it replaces a spreadsheet or a second CRM you might be paying for. Most teams bolt on this new CRM, and now you can have an integrated flow. You don't have to build this from scratch. Just duplicate this app that I started building and customize it for your team using our app builder.